Did you know that the engine can be easily damaged by overheating? The question is what could be causing it. First of all, an excess that can block the thermostat, which is responsible for maintaining the correct engine temperatures. A blocked thermostat may cause an uncontrolled increase of temperature, which in turn may lead to overheating of the engine, which may result in burnout of the gasket under the cylinder head, in which case the oil mixes with the liquid from the cooling system. The liquid from the cooling system flows into the combustion chamber, mixing of the coolant with the oil. In addition, contaminants in the cooling system reduce the efficiency of the heating system and engine cooling system. Today I will show you how to change the fluid in the cooling system and how to clean it. Let's do it! First, you need to pour the BIZOL Radiator Clean plus r70 into the cooling system. This product contains special, gentle cleaners for the entire cooling circuit and doesn't adversely affect the radiator and sealants. Dissolves oil-containing contaminants and scale build-up throughout the cooling system. Then start the engine and leave it running for about 30 minutes. Then replace the fluid with a new one and it's ready. In some cases, it is good to do one additional flushing with distilled water, especially when we are dealing with cleaning oil that can get after a failure of the cylinder head gasket. As you could see, BIZOL Radiator Clean plus 70 works very effectively. Remember to use it. In case of failure of the head gasket, to remove oil residues from the cooling system. Before replacing the timing, the cooling system, so as not to lead to the formation of contaminants that may lead to overheating of the engine, reducing the efficiency of the heating system. BIZOL means protection.